So no prizes for guessing that my favorite fat is ghee. And while I use ghee to cook most of my foods, one of my favorite ways to consume ghee is not in my foods, but on an empty stomach in the morning. But not just like that, right? So waking up in the morning, practicing your yoga asana, practicing your breath work, and then consuming a teaspoon or a tablespoon of warm ghee can make ghee really, really effective, taking it to the deepest tissues, to your nervous system, to replenishing you in places that are very hard to get to. And what happens is when you practice asana and you practice breath work, all the subtle channels, the nadis of your body warm up, they open up and they become really ready to receive. Now mind it, these are places that you have no access to otherwise. And while yoga opens up your system, ghee replenishes your system. Now, if you were to have a cup of caffeine right after that, all of those open channels, those nadis, could actually burn out. So instead of that, when you have a tablespoon of ghee, it gets metabolized quickly, it goes deeper, becomes that omega-3, and really replenishes you. So I'm going to show you how I warm my ghee, which is also very, very important. So you just take, it's already warmed up for me. So I take hot water, boiling hot water, or like really, really hot water, and I take my ghee in a little cup and I just leave it out there, right? Because the ghee is condensed and I want to not only decondense it, but I also want to warm it up. And then this is ready. I have like about a tablespoon of ghee. I don't know if you can see it. I have about a tablespoon of ghee, and this is the ghee that I consume. It's really good for my hair, skin, all of that. Now the other thing I want to tell you is, so you want to consume this ghee if you can with half a cup of warm milk or hot milk, or with hot water if you can't do it by itself. But if you have digestion issues, if you have toxic waste like ama, if you really have that sluggish, slow digestion, then you may want to first bring it up to speed before you start consuming this ghee in the morning. So I hope that was helpful. To me, this is a $1 million tip. I hope you try it. You will notice the difference within 3 weeks, I promise. Thank you.